We've started traveling around with our guide.
And he's had us stop here at this beautiful lookout behind us. We're actually on this abandoned cement roof and it is awesome.
Yeah, there's a couple different abandoned resorts here. I'll show you another one. One right over there. And they make for the best viewpoints.
As we continue to drive around the coastline, the view gets more amazing every little bit we go. Like, look at this.
This was literally only like a minute away from the last viewpoint.
And of course, I had to tell the driver, and you live here! I just love throwing that out here because everything so far in Indonesia has just been pure bliss. Honestly, the landscape, and today we have great weather.
Our driver just brought us to a very beautiful lookout that has this nice long path. Goes out to a lookout that you can see the 3 Gili Islands.
And all I see right ahead is a beautiful postcard picture everywhere I look.
Yeah, at the end of this cape is some palm trees. It just looks remarkable.
We are at this beautiful viewpoint and it overlooks the Gili Islands. 1, 2, and 3. One of the reasons why we came to Lombok is because it is really easy from ferry to get to the islands. So I don't think we're going to be able to make it this trip because of our obligation with the resort, but it sure would have been nice. I just had my nap in the car and we just arrived at the waterfall.
So this right here is the entrance. We had to pay 10,000 rupiah each, but we have heard online of some scams with some of the guides.
Thank you TripAdvisor, because the locals, they basically just set up a booth and sometimes they can charge what they want. But our guide told us and we were well informed, $2, 20,000 is a little over $2. Can't beat that.
If you don't opt for the guide, sometimes they'll try to charge you 60,000 each, but don't pay it. It's only 10,000.
Let's go see some waterfalls. We just saw all these people, and they're all out of breath, and so I was kind of worried, like, is this a really bad hike?
We just spotted a monkey at the waterfall.
Today, as promised, we're taking you on a waterfall tour with us in Lombok. Right behind me is Sedang Gili Waterfall. The locals believe that this waterfall has curative and anti-aging properties. So when people come to this waterfall, including foreigners, you're supposed to go behind the waterfall and let it fall all over your body to prevent aging and provide curative benefits. Eric's turn.
So this waterfall is supposed to give you a year off every time you go into the waterfall. I just got like 5 years off. Just kept going in and out. It was amazing. Best waterfall experience I've had. Not the most beautiful. It is amazing looking, but the experience of going underneath the waterfall, top favorite. I've got to say, just a wonderful waterfall experience. This place has multiple waterfalls, the big one, a couple small ones. This water I'm actually standing in, it's just crystal clear. These rapids are beautiful. There's monkeys here. This place has everything. This is definitely a must-see waterfall in Lombok.
I'm about to get younger and I'm so excited that's motivation enough. Although I've already felt the water and I know it's freezing.
Younger?
Yeah, I do. Who needs Botox? Natural. That was a bucket list must, and I'm so glad Eric talked me into doing it.
Yeah, that was a great waterfall, great experience, but we do have another waterfall that's coming up, so we have a pretty good little trek. I think it's going to be about a half hour. You have to go cross a couple rivers, go up some stairs, so we're going to go find our way. If you wanted to look this waterfall up for yourself, here is the name of it.
Another cool reason to visit this place is there are roaming monkeys everywhere. It's super cool. I've never seen that before. When we went to Bali last year, we did go to a monkey forest, which was totally a touristy thing. The guide takes you around, it's really nice, speaks great English, and then brings you back to their little shop where they plead with you to buy something, which is really sad. But here, they're just roaming free, and they're a little feisty. On TripAdvisor, there are a lot of different forums that'll tell you that you should buy a guide, but that's not necessary. After you go to the paved Gili waterfall, immediately to your left there's a stone pathway. Take it and that'll take you to the Tiukilip waterfall.
We're supposed to find a dam with a bridge, and then we have to cross 2 rivers, then go up some more stairs, and then we'll finally emerge out of the jungle into this other waterfall. And it's supposed to be spectacular as well. Yellow Bridge, check.
We're about to go through the jungle.
First river, check.
When in doubt, follow someone else's guide.
Well, I guess we missed the second river somehow. It was kind of weaving in and out of the first river, but we have made it to the next waterfall, and this one is a dandy. Trying to get in the water of this one. Very slippery. And I already almost twisted my ankle. This is awesome. It's really hard to turn around because these little water droplets are so sharp. They hurt your eyes. But this is amazing. The water's nice, it's super deep, and I'm not even all the way in. This is a big, powerful waterfall.
so incredible. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
I brought the drone. I was planning on using it, but I could not connect with the GPS, so I could only fly up a couple meters, so it was almost no point. And then when we were coming back from the last waterfall, I saw someone else have a drone up, but they couldn't go very high, and so I went and asked him if he was having the same problem, and he was. So it's not just my drone, it's just the drones in general. It's really hard to get a connection over here.
Guess what? Lunch is here, and it looks incredible. Like always, we have a noodle dish.
And it's got a fried egg, and we've got shrimp chips. I'm stealing Amanda's.
Don't steal mine. Steal one of yours.
But, yeah,
chow time.
Looks and smells really good, and we've got a whole bottle of hot sauce.
Want a little hot sauce with your noodles?
They don't make the food hot enough here. Let's do that. Tons of fresh vegetables in this. We got the vegetarian because it's cheaper. And so they put just tons and tons of vegetables in here. You got beans, you got cabbage, you got morning glory, there's everything in here. It's delicious.
We arrived at Pantai Tebing, which means Cliff Beach. This place is called the Grand Canyon in Indonesia, and we're going to show you why. The reason why they call this place the Grand Canyon is because of the formation of the cliffs behind us, which kind of resembles the Grand Canyon cliffs.
Super loose gravel. I'm going to try to run all the way to the top. That did not work.
Nice parkour.
Look at my shoes.
Oh my gosh.
So guys, if you come to the Grand Canyon of Lombok, it is that big. I wouldn't say that it's exactly grand, nor a canyon, since it's only one side. It's just a cliff face. And people come here and they write their names all on the sides. Some have gotten adventurous enough to go a little bit higher. But it's a beautiful beach. The sand is the darkest that I have seen here. It's super, super black. The water's crystal clear. There's coral, dead coral that has washed all over this shore. And the walls are cool, but I don't think it's too grand.
Today we had an incredible day visiting waterfalls and the Grand Canyon right next to us.
We're gonna finish exploring this place, we'll show you, and then we are gonna head back. It's been fun, guys.
See you around the world.
Bye.
Bye-bye, fake Grand Canyon.